Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Use right now in front of you HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28a model. This is 3-in-1 printer by HP. As you can see, it's the new model, and today I will teach you how to disassemble the printer. If you got stuck anywhere inside the printer, you want to change the fuser sleeve, or there's an issue with the paper pickup rollers, feeder rollers, or clutch or drive, or you want to change the board. So I will teach you how to disassemble this printer completely, which are the steps you have to follow to avoid the damages in the printer, because if you are going to open first time, so this is little complicated, not like an old model by HP. Okay viewers, first of all I will turn it around. I will show you, you have to remove these all screws, and the first step is you have to remove this back cover. Okay, this back cover you have to remove. For this purpose you have to remove these two screws over here. One screw is here, and the second one you have to remove this. While you will keep the screws beside, when you will remove these two screws, it will pull it down, this back cover, and this will visible for you data board. If you want to change the USB socket, format board, and if you will remove scanner, we have to remove these two cables. Okay, and you can see, okay, till here. Now we have to remove the top cover. First of all, top cover. To remove the top cover, we have here some plastic locks. This is one for drive. We will remove this, and then we will release from the fuser this top cover. Okay, first step is this lock, and there is one plastic. You have to be careful. Plastic lock, it should not fell inside. Okay, keep it aside. Then here, and okay, like this, and second is like this. Fine. And the fourth one, this plastic, it's holding this scanner unit, so it will come like this outside. Okay, this will come like this, and same, you remove this aside on the right side, and it can be lift. Okay, the scanner cable is simply will come out, but the dashboard cable, it is around this one plastic, so I will push it from behind to release it from here. Fine. Then you will know, if you are going to open, you will find this way. Okay, our scanner unit is removed. We will keep it aside. Okay, now we have to remove this top cover, and then we have to move this entire machine outside. For this, there are screws over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this will release the top cover, and then later on we will remove the screws from behind, the downside. Okay, now first, one by one, I will unscrew these screws. Okay, here we go. All the screws from the top side is unscrewed already. Now we will lift this up. Okay, Okay, it's lifted. We'll keep it here, and this machine is visible now in front of you. Remove the toner outside. Okay, now if you want to pull this entire machine is out, there are screws on the right down over here, so we have to unscrew these screws also. 1 2 3, and this is for paper input tray plate. If you will see, yeah, now we will unscrew these screws to pull the machine out. If you are going to change fuser sleeve or anything, any work, you can use this method. Hope it will help someone who is watching right now. Okay, 2 screws over here, 1 and 2, and you see, okay, almost done. And then you will lift this machine from here. Oh no, there is screw left for this power socket. 1 screw is inside for power socket. Remove this screw also, and 2 screws is right behind. You see here. Then it will fully released. Okay, here we go. And okay, now our machine and entire printer is out. We can change the fuser sleeve, we can change the anything you want. You can use this method. Okay guys, this was the method I want to show you how to disassemble the printer. Hope you understand it. After this also, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments and I will reply your questions. The second thing, if you want to return it back, same method we removed, we will fix this back. First of all, we will fix this machine, then one by one each part we will assemble it back. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will wait your feedback. If anyone have questions, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.